Growing beets in your vegetable garden is not just a wonderful way to enjoy fresh produce, but also a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Beets, with their earthy flavor and vibrant color, are packed with nutrients and have numerous health benefits. This video will explore how to grow beets, including tips on growing them in containers and raised beds, the time it takes for them to grow, and why it is worth your effort. Why should you consider growing beets in your garden? Beets are an easy-to-grow root vegetable that requires minimal care. They thrive in various conditions, and their roots and greens are both edible, offering versatility in the kitchen. Growing them at home ensures you have organic, pesticide-free produce right at your doorstep. Beets are a nutritional powerhouse. They contain fiber, vitamins A and C, folic acid, and essential minerals like potassium and manganese. The pigments that give beets their beautiful color, called betalains, have been shown to possess antioxidant properties, potentially reducing inflammation and disease risk. Including beets in your diet can support heart health, enhance digestion, and boost your immune system. How long does it take for beets to grow? From planting to harvesting, beets generally take around 50 to 70 days to mature, depending on the variety. It's a relatively quick-growing vegetable, making it a satisfying choice for gardeners eager to enjoy their homegrown produce. How far apart to plant beets? When planting beets, space them about 1 to 3 inches apart in rows that are 12 to 18 inches apart. Proper spacing ensures that each plant has enough room to grow, reducing competition for nutrients and sunlight. How to grow beets in containers. Growing beets in containers is an excellent option for those with limited space. Select a container that is at least 12 inches deep to accommodate the growing roots. Use a well-draining potting mix. Plant the seeds 1 to 3 inches apart and make sure to place the container in a sunny location. Regular watering is essential, but be mindful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Growing beets in raised beds. Raised beds provide excellent drainage and allow you to control soil quality, both crucial factors in growing beets successfully. Fill the beds with a mixture of topsoil, compost, and a little sand to ensure a loose and fertile environment. Planting in raised beds follows the same spacing guidelines as traditional gardens, with seeds 1 to 3 inches apart in rows 12 to 18 inches apart. Beets days to harvest. Monitoring your beets for readiness is an essential part of the growing process. Generally, beets are ready to harvest when the roots are between 1 to 3 inches in diameter. Smaller beets are more tender and sweet, while larger ones may become woody. Growing beets in your vegetable garden is a rewarding experience. Whether in containers or raised beds, following the simple guidelines above can lead to a successful harvest. Understanding how long it takes for beets to grow, how far apart to plant them, and when to harvest ensures a bountiful crop. The nutritional benefits of beets offer additional incentive to include them in your garden and diet. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner looking to cultivate healthy, fresh produce at home, beets are a perfect addition. Their versatile nature and myriad of health benefits make them a valuable asset to any garden and kitchen. So why not take the step and start growing beets today? Your body and taste buds will thank you.